Welcome to the 2021 school year. We're here to help you have a successful academic school year. And there are a few things that you have to remember every day to ensure your success. The first thing is, when you are asked to log into the computer, you go to CISD.org. The next is, you must know how to log into your Hello ID, Office 365 every day, and that will take you into your Canvas account where you can access your assignments, contact your teachers, and receive contact from your teachers. So step 1, CISD.org. You will go into the main school website every day. Then you must log into your Office 365 every day. Once you've logged out of the system, you must log back in. The next, Hello ID, will then take you into your Canvas platform. We do not want you to have broken links and sad faces on your computer screen, so we're here to troubleshoot those kinds of things. We also have the CISD help desk that is there for you in case you do have a problem with your Canvas account. The email is helpdesk@cisd.org and the phone number is 903-641-2333.